Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you: Magento Web Hosting. If you're ready to supercharge your online store and maximize its potential, you've come to the right place. Understanding Magento and its benefits. Before we dive into Magento Web Hosting, let's quickly recap what Magento is and why it's such a popular choice for e-commerce businesses. Magento is an open-source platform known for its robust features, scalability, and flexibility. It empowers businesses of all sizes to create stunning online stores with a plethora of customizable options. The importance of quality web hosting for Magento. Now, let's discuss why choosing the right web hosting provider is crucial for your Magento store's success. A reliable web hosting service ensures your store remains accessible, responsive, and secure. It optimizes your site's speed, handles traffic spikes, and enhances the overall user experience. Without proper hosting, your Magento store may suffer from slow load times, downtime, and potential security vulnerabilities. Key features to consider in Magento Web Hosting. When selecting a Magento web hosting provider, you need to pay attention to specific features to ensure a seamless experience for both you and your customers. Let's explore some essential aspects to consider. Performance and scalability. Discuss the importance of server resources, such as CPU, RAM, and disk space. Highlight the significance of scalability to accommodate your store's growth. Security and SSL certificates. Emphasize the need for robust security measures to protect sensitive customer data. Explain the benefits of SSL certificates and how they establish trust with customers. Support and uptime guarantee. Discuss the significance of 24/7 technical support and the impact of downtime on your business. Explain the concept of an uptime guarantee and its role in maintaining a reliable online presence. Popular Magento web hosting providers. Now that we know what to look for in a Magento web hosting provider, let's explore some popular options that come highly recommended by experts and the Magento community. Remember, it's crucial to research and find the best fit for your specific needs. Here are a few providers worth considering. Provider A. Highlight the key features, pricing plans, and customer reviews. Discuss any unique offerings or specialized Magento support. Provider B. Provide an overview of the services, including performance, security, and support. Mention any specific benefits, such as integrations or developer-friendly features. Provider C. Explain why this provider stands out, emphasizing its advantages over others. Discuss any notable customer success stories or case studies. Tips for optimizing Magento web hosting. Now that you have a solid understanding of Magento web hosting, let's wrap up with some valuable tips to optimize your hosting experience and boost your store's performance. Regularly update Magento and extensions to ensure security and compatibility. Implement caching mechanisms to improve page load times and reduce server load. Utilize content delivery networks, CDNs, to distribute your website's content globally. Optimize images and use lazy loading techniques to minimize bandwidth usage. Monitor your website's performance using tools like Google Analytics or New Relic. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed our comprehensive guide to Magento web hosting. By now, you understand the importance of selecting a reliable hosting provider and the key features to consider. Remember, a well-optimized and secure hosting environment is the foundation for a successful Magento store. So, go ahead, research your options, and elevate your online business to new heights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy e-commerce-ing!